Hello everyone! Today we are gonna build a mini village. Whoa! We're gonna literally, oops, I accidentally dropped that. We're gonna build that village, but mini. Mini. I already built out the land over here and now let's get building. So, yeah, this is how you build a mini village pretty much. So now I guess we're just gonna build the blacksmith. Like, wrong one. Like that. We're building the blacksmith like this. Like that. The blacksmith. Next, I guess we're gonna build the well. Oops, accidentally did that. Yes. There. Next, we place that like that. And then 7. Let's do this like that. I guess we'll also add the torches like there and then there. That, and then 2, 3. Bam. This. And then that's the torches. And then let's add a little greenery. Like plants here. And then there's the mini village. It's mini. It's like that village, but mini. Yep, there's the mini village. Thank you guys for watching my video about how to build a mini village. Please subscribe, it helps a lot. And see you next time.